Good morning, 5-minute traders. Again, I want to talk a little bit about crude today. Crude is kind of in that same situation that we talked about with NASDAQ. There is a trade setting up. I would like to see it break 53.80 again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sell a little bit here at 54.30. I'm going to sell more at 55.20. And if I have to, I will go up to 56. Now, that's not for everybody, and I understand that. If you can't afford to sell 1, 2, and 3 contracts like that, then you may want to look at selling a little bit here and selling a little bit at 55. I will also plunge at 53.70. If we break below that, we should clean this up. There's a big cleanup area in here that needs to be touched up and possibly getting back to 52.30 and a quarter or so. So that is the trade I'm looking at. It's very similar to the NASDAQ, and let's just show that because we talked about that earlier in the week. A couple times now we've come down here to 6,200, and until we break that during regular hours, and by the way, this yesterday was late in the day in the Asian Open. They kind of trapped some people at 6,200. Remember, after hours typically don't behave the same way that regular trading does on the U.S. market. So you need this on the crude. I just bring this up as an example because this trade still hasn't triggered. You need to have the break happen during U.S. hours. Really here, this was a Fibonacci move on the the NASDAQ where we broke. We went from 62.85 down to 01, and then we had a technical bounce this morning that actually was the good entry, and you can see that. I wanted to bring this up just to show how, because this is still, to me, an ongoing trade on the NASDAQ. But you see that it rallied right here to the 50, didn't quite get to the 60. You could have sold that at 62.40. And now, again, it came down here to 62.08, trading 62.18 after the tax plan came out. It took the market down. But when this breaks again, I have more sell orders in below 6,200 now during regular trading hours. And if you sold the bounce at 62.43 and you're adding here at 61.99 or right below here as the day goes on, this could be a really nice plunge trade and a way for you to get involved even if you didn't sell that bounce there. So that's what we're looking at on crude. It's kind of the same thing. I want to be short right here, 54.34. Pick your spot right here. When we get below the 54 level, again, it should move quickly because we've already done it twice. And when we get down there, it should come back to the 52 and a quarter area. So that's it. Have a great day. 5-minute traders. If you have any questions, you want to work with me one-on-one, just set up some time. Just write me a note, Matt at OneMinuteTrader.TV. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you on the other side. Thanks.